In this video, I'm going to show you how to participate in a META DAO ICO. META DAO is a launchpad on the Solana ecosystem, and an ICO stands for an initial coin offering. For early stage companies that want to raise money, just like traditional markets would do through an IPO, they do it through an ICO, but with META DAO. The difference here is, of course, it's all on chain, on the Solana ecosystem through USDC, and they have mechanisms to protect the early investors like you and I, make sure that we don't get scammed or rug pulled, while at the same time giving funding for much needed projects to spend responsibly. And I'm going to show you what I mean. At the end of the day, everyone wins together. An early concept that's really taken off and is doing really well. The main difference between META DAO and every other launchpad out there in different crypto ecosystems is that it is a fair launch. What I mean by that is that there's no early entries for earlier investors, angel investors, no huge allocations to board members or consultants. Everyone gets in at the same price point. Simply put, highlighting here, there's no backroom token deals. Everyone gets the same price, the same token at the same time, and it's all unlocked immediately. No unlocks or vesting schedules where you have to worry about a lot of tokens being dumped on the open marketplace and devaluating your shares. Not only that, they have realignment. And what this means is that if they want to issue more tokens in the future, they have to propose it through META DAO before they do so. In fact, some new token issuance is only if these projects hit key benchmarks of valuation of tokens for their holders. The projects get a set allotment of monthly fees from their ICO to fund their project. They can't overspend. So far, the community, the projects, and early investors love this. I'm not going to dive too much into that as each project has their own goals and it definitely varies. Today, I'm simply going to show you how to participate in an ICO, an initial public offering, on the META DAO platform. It's very simple. Just go to metadao.fi, scroll down, and you can see what active or previous ICOs that they had before. Now, this may look different by the time you're watching this, hopefully so, because they have more projects come on board. And here you can see some previous ones like Avicii, an internet banking company, Solomon, a composable dollar. What I'm going to show you today is Ranger. It is a perps aggregator and is looking to raise $6 million. It already has $1.2 million committed. All you have to do is to connect a wallet of any sort. One that supports Solana, of course, and you can see there's a variation here. We definitely recommend using a hard wallet. For my example, I'm going to click on a Phantom wallet that I do personally connect a hard wallet to. Simply connect your wallet onto the META DAO website, make sure it is the correct link from the official site, and click connect. After that, you could directly contribute by clicking on the back now button on the project's template right here. But what I recommend is to click it onto the project itself so you can see more details. If we go back, you can see that the Ranger word is highlighted. Just click on that. And you're going to enter in a page where it will spell out a lot more details of the Ranger ICO or whatever project that you're looking at. You'll see the amount of money that they're looking to raise and the monthly allowance, basically how much the project is going to get on a monthly basis of the funds that they're going to be raising. On the right-hand side of the page, you can put in any amount of number that you want to contribute as a click and hold investment, meaning that if it doesn't hit the minimum or if there's any issues, you're going to get a refund of all your principal. Scrolling down, you can see who the top contributors are, and definitely you can read more about the project. Scrolling down further, you can read all the terms and conditions and how they provide an allocation. I'm not going to go through it in detail because I'm not an expert there, but there is an algorithm on the back end to determine how much of the allocation you will get. If you commit, let's say $5,000, you're definitely may or may not get the full allocation of $5,000 invested into this project. It will differ per project. Some say that committing a larger amount will get you a larger allocation. I don't know, let's just call it $1 million. You might get 50% allocation. A lot of people don't like that whales control the market, and what META DAO has done is taken steps to ensure that smaller wallet sizes will get a part of their allocation fulfilled, if not 100%. Let's say I want to commit this 5,000 in USDC. Remember, it has to be in a Solana ecosystem. Then just click and hold here, view the transaction inside your wallet, and confirm. Once confirmed, there it is. You see my allocation secured and you can share it with friends. Now, this is not active right away because this project still has a 3-day countdown timer that's in front. And there it is, a 3-day and 21-hour deadline to commit your funds. Committing your funds, remember, you don't guarantee a full allocation. You're just committing it. And should anything happen, if it doesn't hit the full raise or anything of the matter that will prevent the project from completing a full ICO, you're going to get a complete refund. And potentially you might not get any allocation at all. It might just be way over allocated and the algorithm might just dictate you don't get an allotment for this particular project. If that's the case, don't be bitter. There'll definitely be more opportunities. Lastly, to make sure that your full committed amount is successful, just make sure you see this green bar here that shows the amount of commitment that you put in. Double, triple, quadruple check the amount before you commit it because you cannot edit and you cannot cancel your commitments once it is successful. Keep an eye on social media from META DAO and the project to see when the token launch day will be. after the commitment timeframe ends. Barring any setbacks, that's when you'll get your full allotment of tokens for that project. And those simple steps are how you participate in a META DAO ICO. Good luck out there, and we'll see you guys on the next one.